These are some baby swallows that live underneath the dock, right across from my boat. I can look right out the hatch and see them there. They're really cute. Comes their daddy or mommy. Gonna feed them some bugs that she's gonna puke up. That was a quick feed. Now here's something I've always wondered. How do they keep from filling their nest up with poop? Seems that they instinctively know. Turn around and dump it over the side. Otherwise their nest would fill completely up with crap and they'd all fall out. Plop! Certainly can see that it's all over the side of the nest and probably not hardly any on the inside. Here goes another one. Plop!